into the cove. Just thought I'd show what a challenge it is to land at the truck. Hee hee. There's the breakwater. They're actually going to add to that sometime in the near future here. It's not even high tide right now, and it's like kind of high up on the breakwater. So here's the end of the breakwater, where on your way out, you just kind of, even if it's rough, you can hug this, and this deep little slot right around it protects you. You're good to go. As I almost went high and dry on the rock. Whoa! White water on my tail. Woo! There's a group of fishermen and stuff. And that's it. Pretty nice once you get behind that break.